state Emma we asia fa na nyina de asi hono mo a ye mama mo na ya kye wono mo se ya kye ye ho se ye juma obi beka say we are doing well for ourselves yes nti na ohu ne se oba multimedia fidwem ha se ya abrofo no ya ye kan kasa no aye ma nko a na ye di juma so no e wo fidwem ha se ye nka se yi mema no asi nche nanso aye dakro pay de ya sre mema no kwan o mama ye kwan ene ya tene gwam enti Mpensenpensemu bra na aso na no chaba badwa se wana matena se na se de mahunu no beni mperifo mieri na twetwe nkomo e wo fidwem ha na ansa na no Kaiser Franco Trading Enterprise ekura me mu abrane phones, laptops, accessories, phone chargers, tabletop fridges, Franco TV, air conditioners, ni nyina no Franco will be at the mount. And tablet ya be ye na obatan bi epebi Bora Franco shop ebe will be na etobi. Safari tissue so say. Esa ansa covid ye ni ti no ye hu ne say handkerchief ntoma de no a wo use wi akosie no kwa say enhya da moa ye nsa enti tissue nye tissues ni tissue de oba o de papa wanimu a be ma makeup wato so na entutu no say tissue bu ade board ma bo say atu fako na for makeup no watotom safari tissue entertain ka wanimu nso wo de papa won say entertain ka won sa ho nti nei ubora ye supermarket bia na tissue no papa no so pe safari de no ebi na obema obi ya the International Women's Day ne to nchen ya nanso a State of the Nation's address. Oh my Ghana ye bobre na ye tibia say the city Ghana mampanyi e de nsem ahodo betudwa na ye behwe so say anya bia no e de na ma ye expect in parliament e ma percentage no ye say pia ye pia ma wa mamuomuo ne te say mema nko na ye amanyo nsem ana se ma na mo kwan mo ye bi so a eyeye oba se bi de bia meka se oba akokọ nanimu a yes sebi adwaman de na dru ho but there are genuine ones and so kakra ene nyankopon adom the grace is taking them emu miru na me ne wo mo etwetwe enkomo na sabre de mago na atena se Margaret ansay wonim se wadi agro wa amanyo nsemu pa asuhum na wo ya aban na musini e wo ho wadi amanyo nsemu achi a che na me hu ni nam say yes a woman with enough body beauty with brains in fact yes ana ehum ana yakotete kakra
oh jai
na Adom achede de bi di achi na me say Adom achede no e bi di bi achi TV sister panyi no me salute you na empoboko de
erade aye Adom nyame Adom ye ho ye na me hu wisu mani agi bebre because in pain na ya na yete voice no nti me hu the face behind that beautiful voice I mean it comes like I said the face complements the voice.
Thank you.
Nti happy International Day to all women in the world and more especially to the Ghanaian woman. And me fasa akonya ne so assign echia NDC emanyina ana anu ya the December ya na ye call elections I'm a contestant for National Women's Organizer and they gave me much of their vote michia omunyina say ema ayade
yes
wo hwe dwumadi a wudi ahemache sorry at late night awu ko fie ni che say ema ayade bebre na ye be hire say yanya ensensa and this year and I team no yes say embrace equality into the sign is like you're embracing somebody into yes say you and four are predicted say it will take 100 years and son and man mema betimi a play equal role especially when it comes to leadership and decision making yes omumwana enko and 10 time because 100 years then I say you cheaper baby ye na na say ye nyanko baby and I said ya wo no even a man yosem kra no ansana oba betimi eyi ni ti se obe ya man yosem no agi so okra ni kunu okra busuafo okra fie asori eno krampo no che say wo ko bia na wo hwe wachi wo ni sa free spirit no because wo suro ade abema be ye obefa ne ho adi no wo men ho kra no na wanya ho asem and so the yesre no yanyina ye nipa it is equal right and my dear yesre is not out of the world so what you say the wode ma men no mo ye bi and this year digitalization and innovation yanyina yesre na wo hwe makoye amanyoni de na meka ka me political party kakra wo hwe amanyo sema 2012 and I launch the IT the girl in IT program no say about 400 girls were trained in the Volta region, about 900 were in the eastern region under President Mahama and then the minister Dr. Adom Buama. They did a lot of innovations. Yes, because digitalization comes with infrastructure. So what you saying? Yes, IC centers near the mehusa by way so a rabana or Ministry of Communication no also bohu de and yamwa na yama emane because women are very intelligent creatures. Very, very intelligent creatures are. Ye nim mema netna class. Mini aba. Ye nim how a meme ye mushi wa baby afe wudru SHS na afe almost starting say na afe ama weni free wa disua so then the men are going wo share oba nyinse ya no wakafi na be ma no go school oti ase wan ye lucky a okoba kra na wakohia ababa wafoforo wo university na waja wo ne wo ba no asi babia na afi se wanya obi antufo na se system bi am bringe wo up ha na wo wabrabo no sebi na akachi
ogu babia be pick pieces na free na
enti yes say ye mu nuanom ma ye mo yirenom ye mo namfofo se de mo pesa mabrabo ye no mo moa ye ne ye so ye de no and yes, sir, women are very intelligent creatures, I'll repeat, and we can do exploits. Into this year, it's all about digitalization. The government should help. Abai emwa, ema adisunya, and now we tertiary institution, a ratio, and mema etimi ko sunya pomono, ema dienisa. Yentimi and compete in the corporate world. Send your mema no etimi ye no. Ye best say ye ma ye tertiary education no. Ye mwana madu do na so entimi. E ma no so kra my worry is that we have the numbers yet we are less represented.
A man a door.
Ye door so your representation ye calculate. Just me who majority are or ye represented in minor. Me who be the apart from member issue. In 2020 elections, out of the 16 administrative regions, 13 regions, women registered more to vote in that elections. It was just a half. Western North and a Western region. Na mema etuaba edoso. Niaka nyina ma register tuaba from the EC statistics no. Ma na edoso say mema no. Nso ye beyi mema nko abedi so. Ye ma oba bibi as a tokenism ye di bibi satisfied. Ade ketu ebi ne di aso say and then we want to do fanfare with it. Meanwhile ye na your numbers and how can you be in the majority yet
enkrofo say ma so ye nya dibra ya na
Minya be ma sa atsem na ya o mu kan se be manya dibre a otisen yesu ene ban ya obi akita sa oti ase yenya ema mi ankasa me oba bi a manage ne ho bebre wo ba NDC mu a wuyi ya ankasa ye maame doctor and the only first lady of this country yeah awarding with that doctorate honor no Dr. Lodina Mahama. She's so down to earth. Shoba wetimi atena be ma sronku hu se yama wa bo be ma chi do me mu mpa ebo emu aduane nu emu awo emu afutuo ama be ma ya be Mahama sronku for the world and even for Ghana. Oh wa ho brase wo hwe yankasa ya maame Professor Jenana. Oh my goodness. She's so down to earth. Baby obe shia prof bi say obo din and she appreciates talent. What you say? Inti, Ushasa Suban ya. There are a lot of women. Ya mami Betty Moldy Drisu. Ya mami NDC mami Ankasa Madam Faustina Nelson. I mean, we have just so many now. They are so down. I have experienced them. Even the young ones here, your sister Penny Joyce Ba Muntari, Obobia Dakon, Jifate Garu, Miankasa Meti. We are all very lovable people when you come close to us. I mean, we are very loving people. And see, Obiani ni suni nebai, but you cannot paint all of us with one broad brush and say, Obanya Debra, na Ebi and Nisumai, and I say, oh yeah, Akokoti, someone I say, Debbie, and ye nani at Sabe, Numpono, it can be worked on. Meaning, me memo mo position na omo e de tete ni power companies ni ade titi umponi e ma ade a meme wo position ye e ma no che say e bro de ma ye dodo cry sen and also in such places what you say inti e ma ye nhwe bi obi suban kakra bia because ayana sometimes to at that time of the month ayana your mood swings inti obi wo ho that time me do na ene madam boss ba ye na bia na nimu shada nyen for say e ma de meanwhile you need to understand the creature So what you say, yeah, body shrunku bi anyame boy nya. We are combination of so many things. And if you want us, accept the package that we come with. Because anyama ni nyina so na ma ye oba. And it is not fault of us. Biologically sana nyame den nti se wodru sa time of the man na wonya mood swings na bia you know nyama nkitikiti bia bu wani go so nipa wo hwe obi a wo ne nan so but look at the greater the best part of the person, the beautiful aspect of the person. Would ma wani ko eno so a obebu wani egu sa nyama nkitikiti ne so encourage your man na because oba wo fear they bia meka in one of these UNDP programs I made a presentation me say when the men are thinking about that na afi na aban ya ba power 2017 2017 more. So while the men were thinking about this Franklin Templeton bond, the women were thinking about basic social amenities, toilet, water. She na vaccines in some year abeya. She say, "Utimi who say awufo tete." Be man on say dey nim. One church ni mukra on sadampo entias say na wo kwa antenatal
na me do say kwa na di omo yire mo chi na daje e ko se me ko
omo nim say bia wo postnatal o antenatal o e bia ye ko we akola na say ye man polio vaccine, measles ni niam nkitinkiti bia omo nim enti ema ya sa ye na ye tete fitie nani na nsa say on social media ye didi nkomota because ya nhwe ye in the next few years enkola so aye wo no enye enkola keto a wo emmeme yi enkola yo mo ne ye wo wi bebre na se enkola nyina beko na se ye nya de sese ye ma yen no ya nya ma enkola na o chi no mo ko fa yare bi ba esan so de be ye
generation no de
esan so de be ye eka eda oman ne so enti ne ye ne ye be twa so aba Into we better do it. Maybe some minister no more be at some in the coming weeks.
Yes.
And people were pushing him to be very specific, but they were a little bit evasive. So the same way I same here because about time we back on your polio to see ya. Many about sending a saying but so 9 months Jenny.
I don't know about one ankasa cry enough.
Now from day one no symptoms na timide bano. Ebi dear I mean I'm a mother.
Maybe see me phone ringing tone and I'm a buff. Yeah. But it's an iPhone ring, yeah. Because of the name said you're not irritated me.
You see, so that kind
growing
of
out of it, no problem.
Now Obanyin saying, "Will baby as a sound?" My daughter used to tease me. I say, "Mommy, you used to have a pointed nose." Nin saying, "Muno, when you be here, say 1 year you won't get it back." 90 me be here,
what if you change?
Ebi 90 me pie stretch marks. You see, women go through a lot. Into before we mu nyina na wodi akwa wo bosomi nkron na ade ese ye ma kola na makola na nu o tenase no ye nya na just aban na de ohwambo. And we must all come together and fight it holistically. Yenyi politics in free because akola na ye wo no nkita NDC kala e no nkita MPP kala and a polio ni other vaccines na yen bisa o party card. What you say NDC ni ba ebetimi ato no MPP ni ba ebetimi ato no in the coming future dear ni ebe yes amofra we. Can you imagine say obenya polio? Can you imagine? You know, measles, the abe say was skin. Just a whole lot of things. Inti your best say Emma your bre will be biemu award dear. Yin say ni award dear and say me boy no to miss sway ya. Dear says I buying so ye. And the ma wo for nin korano. Mestre say yen na yen pusu a buying kakra na onye maye.
After the International Women's Day no konkon hono kakra yidim said the State of the Nation's address said ye o my Ghana ye tebia ene ye bobreti why obey dey na hwe di mu say be piem address di mu anke fam ma ho be mu ani age
Miniaba affirmative action bill that's what that parliament. Yes, from 1979 or so. She say, I think your producers can get the dates for us. Check up and me sure say that's that. To me, the National Cathedral. You see, and sand bill no so na kebeti mi abuana emma minia. So when be my co-elections, I mean 2016. So who many be my contest me contest when this tickets na be my me contest when PP no. Obi o when PP mu bia nim no. Uboni dia na obi e connect your parents. He was wild, like acting wow. Obi to me share be say, "Hey, no ma go. Who contest your parents? Who we draw kakra? Me see o para half kra me ni bi." You know, like who, and they will not treat you like Oba.
We oba Debbie. That's our time media.
The propaganda.
Yes.
Just say only wo see any to say. But woman home so kakra. You say, oh, the woman is violent. Now that time, that 2016 Daily Graphic every week now for tattoos or say cartoons or moye. Now I Suhum Chavez not the picture tattoo or not the machine gun and shemensa. Oh, but the bear money any day or your bear we are in a men's world. They are supposed to bully. But obani e den kakra enti sa niema we nyina ma emma ntimi emba politics said they are making wonya sa akukudro no say ade a wonya ye ne ye betro afa wo ho kakra kra onyame ye yadomo a yatimi anya akukudro kra rem ma ye ndisi politics enfie kakra be ye 18 years ni no ensem ukọ Google na say wo bo midin ansem bi a wo be hu no say be be ma ye interested in you kro timi konachi. Oh yes,
because when you're done, you want to fight for yourself.
Yet me tron some baby or now be say na me masem na omo Kenyan because at 7 year can and foul.
Rebecca say welcome to Africa.
You know,
we're standing for yourself.
But we need to change because the world is growing, and you know we must move with the world. And the affirmative action bill, yes, and now Parliament 137 or do man come aboard dear. They say ne one was say a my MPP 20 and a my NDC so you 20
14 or out 40, of the 275
out of 275 just 40. Just 40. Meanwhile, yes, so you do yeah, a man near to a back as you. And a yakuyi ye muni pa 40 pe. No crash 40. Not just say maybe na yo madu because answer na be free with party primaries mu. Etimi akọ national campaign mu. Etimi agina coalition mu. Ama ye declare results say we winning. Wetimi agba parliament hono kra. The intimidation, the psychological effects, emotional, financial.
Can manage
Baby. Your politics here ye sikasem. I just went into an election this December. I haven't still recovered. How is the state helping us? You know, a DNA on mine and say on my aside political party because minim say NDC ye be call primaries yesika ye deje mem and ya chemu mienu and a yeji a man fa. But on my moon and kasano dear no more ye dear boy near to me about enrich the law-making arm of this country, no? Because parliaments won ye baby, ye didn't pay beer keke echo. Ehona ye shemra, until we need intellectuals, we need people with experience. So what you say, ye young Akuffo who can reason critically.
But Ebiana Obisa wo honso ni sikasemu nti enimu wano mo wakudu.
Ontimi obia. Oh, we have very fine female surgeons, lawyers, you know, corporate women and komo betimi they will offer themselves to serve this country, make effective laws that will bind us ebe boa ema. But ye why do say ne betimi akwa ni say kakra bi na wo parliament sisi you know no kro no mo ka de omo fa mu kirewa. Minia wo tenchan a endo kon. Cry say we be kwakwa bi so na bia na nka wo niema bebra because wo shamra na it binds us. It is a when you obi o akukuduro na say agise obi o sika. Now mine ni yekoya na yeba. In this today's State of the Nation's address, aside anything, I expect President Nana-Addo say enakoye man nyina day dear anka something significant ebeboa ema ye mpuntio na yetimi so de aboa oman sene Akuffo-Addo ekaye no o say woma oba ba akopɛ education I mean and it encompasses a lot what you say why could the ama oman nyina I'm trying to interpret it in but a woman be ma ba akopɛ education it is just for the man nipa ba into oba na what it na woman education woman good life woman no ahoto a be affecting a whole nation. Why don't you support that woman? Because the nation includes you the man. What you say? And to President Nana-Addo, so affirmative action bill ne metise or come what or encourage the men to pass the bill for it to come to him to assent his signature on it and come any beje pa dia nka mesusu so oyema emma nka meni beje dia to so bie mu so o man ni mu no emma ne said me di kanka ye ne ye doso and we are into obroni beka say retailing and comments like petty trading is omo yedu kakra no wetimi asesa Ghana cedi kakra e de akọ bi Togo Burkina China Turkey akofa niema ba osusu se dwana odi no obenya mfasode wo so kakra na ne ba suku obe support ni kunu kakra fie asetena se ne akola ne teach you ne baba no be maybe because enne emayiwa ne mema da because omo hia sika omo beto sanitary pad sanitary pad na enya by choice said the nyame born no busumi bia no e wo say obu ne nsa in let's say 7 days wo mu no sa pad na o de be prevent sa de no watimi ama ne ho aye ha akọ school no ne maami ni sika ena pad no so those days ni top 3 cedi 50%. Say is in 2016 18 20 25 omukra omu use sa samples no eno so ne boy eno so kitwe bi na asa because as soon as you visit the washroom you need to change it because of infection and see obia biologically anya ne fault nyame na ye ne sa na pad bo taxes and that so
say a luxury product
and so condoms taxes and that so Adie na ye voluntary na bema will need to decide to have sex
and by choice.
And no free and your choice so. Na dia ye mandatory by birth by biological gender no. And no abide the tax atoso. Mesre na Adom Akuffo-Addo say only taxes no free sanitary pads because no is no fault of us and abusumi bia because women or ladies are recycling their pads. And not a serious pad na where you should na pano okojari na wakata
so kakra bi ne wom onto nchene obi su kwa fa no dia paso atwam mienu
oni bi enti okojari wi a na wasen use the same pad no yare e de be brain in the next generation infections are and then men no more better say infections no because those young girls they will grow into women you will marry them. And when you marry them, because you did not pass effective laws to support these young women, you be living with it. So when enti ohia e de yare ba, ohia de niyama bebre to o man so mo man no, yete he ya ene ya yete he yenim you can say in the near future, o man ne be de ka bebre because a lot of infections are going to come. Yare bebre
vaccines.
Very well. And a JDA ya make us say affecting me ye dollar no. And not dear.
Is that not say about
because say kana
and I say akosoro.
Mini aba say dollar no. Ubi same and na senya ebinom kan almost say Bank of Ghana has the rate, Abochi has the dollar. And that say
Bank of Ghana betima kai say 9 cedis.
Abochi so the kita na dia no wonni. You know, those that trade in dollars, especially those that are into oil, bulk distribution companies, you know, they are doing interbanks now to get dollars. Bank of Ghana doesn't have the dollar. Now, who needs to control? How are you able to determine its rate?
Rate.
Rate, you know. And no, you who tree and see can calculate 100 Ghana cedis. Ubet media funny, why you buy. Women we plan. We don't just live our lives. We plan into what budget is within this year, first quarter, second quarter, say na me me projects way. Hey, me kunu sit down. Me so I'm taking care of the home. I go to your school fees, you say. Ama, na fe adia betia boom. Into 100,000 now the coin and count fast so dear you bear 20,000. Say one first one where did dear call capital name? Na sa ban one here abeka say or your quadruni.
And now you kushini a man is kind of washing.
And so not system no. One meshe na Adom Akuffo-Addo say senya ye nim say Dr. Maundu Baumia ye nyansa bo akwa wi ase nyina nyansa wo ne tirimu a yetime de $3 no IGP na or the dollar key ne ma na santia pieto okoni kurom no to twene ekropon ho baabi ye sere no omo $3 ne maye na emma no yentimi ndidwa na ye mfam support your mind ye ho ene ye kununum enti dollar ne hia me pa ena affirmative action bill ena sa pad na ye tax no me hu ne ntia ye tax condom ne ye emma no monka bi mayen. I mean it doesn't make sense.
About a month ago Aisha Ekwia Ibrahim ewo Adom newsroom or ye documentary
yes
pad said ye ne bo aye
emewa
and Memeka say
I didn't do 5 cedis
chese and there are women now be on man the way I was see flow ninti no this way use 2 this way use 3 and ye be a phone in a big catch say make them use diaper and relatively diaper no so worse
and also no boy
because em rebi atwam diaper na bia de hyem 40 a let's say 3 months 4 months ago now beto no be 40 cedis and 80 cedis
ama awo kra no
times 2
na me dai fa ne to nya me ya say wives na ka
de papa no nti be bo so me nsia ntem no na say oba ne to
hagis na ne yi ne dia you can
ne tonko di be 1000 Ghana every month ne tonko a obi be ka say bi ye ma ya ba na ye se ye mpebre sanse na pi wo ho ye na mo pension ne ye si hata nanso wo hwe say ahomache ye mienu ye si ha ya na so wo boa na pia no agu ho a e bread dan nti ya mo nti ya se ne ye nso ye nane bi why nye se bi akesesem
e na ye growing we should grow with it we should grow with it
afa ye hwe
na nappies ne kra mini aba wo to nappies no wo wi a semina no detergent na wo di si
ne bo nye kuma ansa kwa de be mabua ye hwam
because comfort na wo di be gumu no just say bibia expensive you know angwa boy dey say me can na me feel for shame angwa boy dey na say okay say me ntai and cheap potato chips into me the air fryer no be use ohwa na to electricity mu 30% na say na papa you for how we share wo ha into ye be he ne den bibia nya cheap bibia nya cheap there is nothing luxury around here everything is expensive
very yen hwe na no ada na de ntwabo aseme nka abusua yawo enwa be ma Major Maxwell Mahama nipa binom brono the blocks nyama bobo ni ti so enopo it was captured e ma na enya videos ni bi hwe ye hwe ye hu ye chief of defense staff then time and the Ghana Armed Forces almost storming ho koyeye mpanimfo ye state barrier ya peja ohoni na si ho ye de air kai no ni rene na busua so ye ma yes ye nkai omo yawo ye mo yako enkwada no ye nim se wo mu nyini nanso that pain e wo mu asenkwada to grow mbe hwe such kwan a onkrofo bi di om papa fa so gi omo nkwafiri omo sem as wo man ye nsua bibi enfiri mo Sunday yai ashaiman ye nwa be ma branch e kama de bia me kaja ma loan na ne ma me age e de ahwe ne ba school hoping say abranch yi bewie fe no beboa ne ma me ma na teneka yekoda sorry ya ne mu ne da abontin enra ye hu Ghana Armed Forces adwumayefo bi omo ho no mo akire mema ne bi eye wo mo ayaka de akra chichire bi e de omo kokobo ma hwehwe mu aba committee commercial bedwomo a defense and interior committee ni so omo tena so no ye mu hwehwe mu o ye oba tan enti baby ya duru se wo man yi na wo ye ba tan eye nie
menua ba medawase na unsa sem no wo kakra no goose pimples a good kakra especially with the history na your war from Major Mahama time you know it's enya sem papa na ka na yesusu say o man ye hu saa de ni bie na fofia nto ata na no yekoda sorry ya infoni a etweguo ene nkomodi e keka ho wo abafu fidie 10 times so na che say eya asefem ya reho na mesre say yet memufuo no said ye pese police ni military boy ye ho ban no say yeso ye hu so omo wo atoye twemu ana so how mu a ese say yeso yetimi eboa you know am I nja omo saa because they are also human undimi nka say oye military ni ana police ni nti owo all the knowledge in the world to defend him or herself. And to say you want be because yet civilians, in as much as we expect help from them, we should also help them. That is one. And two, you see, the military has their own laws. On rare occasions, now who say military ni be krenya somewhere just say be a kutia Ghana mrana and son be handing over to the civilian police. And from the way they are being psyched and trained, they don't dally with issues.
And
see, who don't say military, you have touched the entire Ghana Armed Forces. Because they were flying helicopters. It was like the whole military was in assignment that day. You know, and we should be careful the way we handle them because we come back one. Just say yes, they won't stop what they did. They will do it. I mean, they operate in their own way. But on the other hand, no so, baby, your mind ain't could do. My obey said they are working. Or but a mamma and my immune. Apre ni abrante no kra say no free Eastern region ho baby bunsu fanti akwa south side ho ne mamie no wei na wanya adwuma said ya woken wa bre ne ho anka oba be hwe ne maame ahwe ne papa hwe ne nuanom na atwe yentem say ato no ye besere abusuafo say ye momo yakọ omundwie na yeso yendwie bi oman na hwere ade bada busua so hwere ade pa and now onyinsen wo abrante no the rain enfida owo no kra anya ya say the circumstances edi owo ne baaye no nti maame ne de ye bekoso ahwere ne so onyankopon enchichi ne were na onyame nhye na name whichever ways ye nipa de ye ntimi emboa na ye betre military for no so say oman no eyenyin pempenso ayedri aya na ye ma let the structures work and say ye kwahwehwe suspect. So I mean the police is there to investigate and do arrest and all that. It's not the work of the military. They are high above that. This is below their league, and ye best say yade we understand them, but omoma emrano enye juma. There are so many ways yes say Ghana ye koye nimu dia. When you go to the advanced world, when they are even doing investigations, somebody can just come to your home, sit down with you, or you will not even know, say, yeah, investigate. Who all this halubaloos blowing around it. So, yeah, advancing in our way of getting information on such crimes. In fact, because I can imagine say me nua bi te sa area ho and kwesi adana ebi onye boni bia na ye be say beatings ne de ubedi bi
mago meda say mamenko ahoma so na yeni enkomo Laura to Musa Saka we kan MPP communication team de hosanso ono deputy executive secretary postal and courier service regulatory commission no Musa Saka mache wadaroma on mute ni eni nkomo wae waka me ho ewo zoom so me pa cho on mute na yeni nkomo me wache
mache minua
ne mpo boko de
pacho bibia boko
na nyankopon
me tie fo nso mache na
so
me minua ba o studio so mago me manage
Larry to me so
Ajoso pa na International Women's Day.
Da yedi esi wa ye bomba nyina abaso no. Me bomu nyina abaso. Ye nyina ye yere ho. Enafom bakakra ye bidu ho. Ti me mamu nyina mu.
Yedase.
Na ma omu hwe nyina.
Yedase.
E mo mu nyina mu. Ye nkoso ne enye adwumaden. Na ema nyina BPS ye gina. Ewo ewiase afana nyina
yenhwe amanyo nsemu wo my Ghana ema no asem opem komonimu ana motiada mopem komonimu ana motiada eni nkomo eni ama be ne twintwa ama na mu ama amanyo nsem no mukodu ba bia na se mu ayedu ama mo na motiada yi
amanyo nsem ne dia wo hwe sene e hyase ewo ye yenkase bibima mu a ema ya be yenim ye kase ma kasa wo TV so anopakra kane no na ofre ma kra unye bi o kan o mo betimi akan o mo won satia so a ebi kra beka basisia no hwe tsemo TV station ne dia kana o ma anya kra o mo tuda ba kwesi ho se emma nko an betena ndi yema ni mu ti abe ba wo hwe nso a the way Nyankopon bo a man or born mema. Bema mfa fanyi se. Enti uye juma kra anya ube o kowari ana ofanyi se a. Ubetimi atena fie beye bosume miensa. Bosume nine bosume nsia. Se unya no boko a bosume miensa. Enon kwa timitwen ko eche wo tifie bosome miensa no wo colleagues o mo ye mema o mu we adwumem obi antwen wo nti saa nyoma nkete ni nyina emma basisi anso enam the way a abefo enioma akwa enim no o hwanso eno nso aboaye say sisi ayetie ende International Women's Day. Many okasa wo Zoom so. Ebia yete nentama and yetimi ba studio the way amago etimi aban. But enam the way you asia ko ne nti yetimi kasa. Nti sesi aso oba tifie na ontimi nkwa adwuma kra obetimi aye de so oye. Nti yaba yenim pa osha yehwe parliament a numbers enye de ye pe but osha eno nso ikọ enim emma wo so ebo mo modern oba communications parties ni nyina ekọ mo nti oba first no adwuma na nka obehu se ye maame no moye anaye nana no moye pa onye nurse oye teacher me kai pa me ya akwala na GTV nko an ye wo na camera woman ba akopɛ na wo ho me kai those times edu baby kra no na etwa president Akuffo infoni ne saa ne o ma ne nyina ba sesi a wo hwa wona me ne wo kese me se bisa kra ye benya camera women ne ma omo media mu numbers ni na akon uba engineering uba medicine nyoma bebre sisi a emba nyina ema numbers ne ahonde ewo mu na ba enti me nkata ye koye ni ma ne aba yechi enam the way ya socialize ye no ye more domesticated than in the workplace. Kakra orientation ne gender advocacy ne nyoma akoso nyina ne monde aye nyina ya bono de ye no ebe sipi ti me nka say ye ko ani mani because bibia mu e sha ase a ade a yamfa hye wase de edu baby a ebe ye de nipa na odi wanim no ebe e so bon ho modern pa ansa na wetimi ato it is said the whole school. Wow, class 1. By the time I could do class 2, now they do or class 2, no, or class 3. And see, modern no ne bakoye, and I be akoye. Unity. Yenina, ye share, se baby a yekono. Space na e wohono. A small pia near soyemu. Yenina, ye back together. Near pushia. Be do as a man since
na ene State of the Nations address said your my Ghana yetebia ene abobre etie so far yenim se Ghana mampanyi de nsema hodo betudwa waye obayi dia na asusu se nka mampanyi ne hamma hono mo mamma enka be ye odene dey
oh sisi ade ye nyina nim se bibia oman ne du no emu edi na se oman so mu edu dia ema ne mmema ema ne enkola titire oba no na ema dodo na ne kojum ema dodo na ne hwefi enti baby ya dia ma no so na ye ho kire ye kese but so tie the president ka wo ho
na no do the
anniversary na
Independence Day.
Oh yeah, that no Independence Day and we are no Volta region. What shall you cry? Into me says I'm crying no ne nyoma ye de atoto akwemu say ye ebema ye nyina ye wan han no and when I me hwe say president be bo hope because se sia bebie edu ne de enye ye nkoa ye wiase afa na ba ye hwe ye de ye ho kire ye eno de obi antimi nka say bebi nye de but the why be done near or shay and cry, you let me a jaddy. Ye nyina ye nim baby I jay economy ni free any baby I bet. The why be done near Becassa yenny, sa yenny. See, what shay and cry. Now, before on so or shed there a day about and which name or boy a cocoa. Said you obey no, a bema which you are but nipa de ye hwe omo sene ye beye sene ye hwe ye hu Italy ye hu mkro bebre omo hwe adehye ba ha no ye hwe bi but enti se de ewiase afa na baby hwere ono ka che sisi ayedin na nipa kro na ohun se stay na ebeye but ebeye ta mesande enuoma atutu akwan mu ama na besi bebia esina ohye yenkro a ensi edidi ti me hwe se ehwo no na obehwe na se bibi wo ho nso a te say the way a ye ready 2023 budget social interventions na enuoma nketenkete no ye tutu mu kakra ne baby ayedi but ye tutu leap ne other social interventions ne wo ye tutu mu kakra se ne be ya omu a omu sheda ni bisa no omu enchiro mu bebre nti e wo so na me hwe se president be bo ho so bi na ye nyina because baby ayedu yedie ye nyina ye se ye ba together na ye hwe the way Ghana picture because amanyo sem de eko nyina economy ni ho a de na de oba no oba behwe nti e ho na me hwe se president be kaso obi beka oma enkinkomu wo ho na ye nya san kwahye no ye nyina ye mmoa kakra ye nyina ye beye a ye beboa ama ye ma na esi bebia na esi 2017 bedu 2020 mu a de to ye ne de aba ni nyina ye pesa akọ bebia ne ye wona na ye nyina ye hu enchire ye no
na chese wonso de a na wo hwe ani mu no ne yenhwe ne yedi nkomo fa emma ye bu yensa paade bo said the mpanimfo bi hu ne say luxury products na eto ahodo da so comparison we ya na mema nanu enhada nye ho edu vows there be hu ne say yankasa Adom doctor afiama nkwa ne condom yi sesi ne kwa ho ani na oyi chicha mema no saa na so say ye oba na nyankopon aboye se busumi bie wosi ebu yensa na paade a ya mo ase ye wosi edidi djuma ne bu ohura na ehuri unyi ni se kana ye ma nyina dai kama mpanyini kasa no wo so timi ka kire se to no omo yi bi afiri so
ehone de se pa de mi njindi so obi betimi a obi obeka se luxury products na oka de beka because adia ma use ohwe so a ma dodo na wo kroma ohwe last census ye kikako be 52%. Enti eno de ye ka se ya de ye si ehwe ba ba se ye yi etu afri ade bi so a enye se ye ka ne keke ya de a so be ye be ya ye nye nensi yi enti eno no de se ya de a se president ahwe onene omo share health minister gender minister because it might be nkola bi o school ontimi nko school be ye 1 week ana busumi bia obetu school mu be ye enam miensa enda 9 ana enson because obu ne nsanti nti ahone de ye nyina ye kabom ne ye hwa ebeboa ye nyina because nation bia ni ho a ebetimi aka se aye develop now one side of it in developed. Say 50% or 59% of the money in developed. Na man ye develop. I ain't mean kase ye developed. Meaning interventions about over the years, girl child education, this annual money in that. Into a 100 day idea see near share. Ena individuals so more campaigns and pure poverty ni sa enuoma ni nyina enti ade ese ye hwe na ye nya ne tse ade ese ye ntiaye na afi ba ko echi afi mienu echi ni asan ba ese ye de ye to so ne sa enuoma ni nyina enti me no ade ese ye hwe a very crucial policy decision ese ye nyina ye hwe ade affecting bia enya endu bebia we wiasemo a ye beka se mema nko ana wo ana emma omuye mpanyufo a omumbu omonsa biem na wo ewiasemi nti ade ese ye hwe se ne be ya ebetimi decision bia ye be ekibe ebetimi akonani na abo obi enya se nde mene mago ne wote ya yaka ne saa president about because oh me you two free but president call in another 2024 echi wa the omani si baby says okogye na home obi ba enam yanto yebo anhwe anye de we be aninti no ono nso de ono nso ne de aba obi ane na adwen ye kase ye tu kwan a sisi ye tie kase ye free nkran kokuma ase a obi be kase me fa kofori de obi be kase me fa nsawo ye nyine ye be kwa akodu kuma ase but the way ye be ye na ebesi pese na ye be ye kodu kuma ase wa obi an yeran eno ne yesi yehwe nti say ye kase oh president mbeka enam said ye pese ye tie nti eba emma ne nkola me gidi say ye take decision wo ho a yes ye extremely careful say ne be ya afiechi afimienu echi ne embe ya asema ye be sa aka ho asepi
afa yanhwe nanu adana mampanyi dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama ene oman intentions eye known say wasoma mama kofa forms into wogina tie na wa launch the campaign na ni nyina mu no de to dwa se wasa betna adwane so a the ruling government said your mo misappropriate funds corporate funds any other funds obehwe na wo mo ho bo mo nyina no ode o ma famra kwan so eye kasa ana se sansase enim se aban bia bedane a ensam sa akoso so mo ba ya na ye nhyeda hunu hwe na in the first place misappropriation no kra no ebi ikoso de
onze baby a nipa wo bia ye nyina ye nya baako ye na mpanyifo so kasenza ye nyina ye ni yehu ye nsa tie nyina anya pe na nkola akro omu free maame baako kra omu ye sometimes omu ye entafo kra ensusunu ye wo na former president there say hu ne da anke be ka said you okay ye nti yenhwe ba ye hu or the MP or the vice president or do baby because on the luckiest vice president because the president man quite money ye the person or yin obedi president yin na ye hu ye and same bebre see about and there enya enyoma ye see ekom ye ka time incompetence ne corruption be ya ade ye ka ne de bia ye ne mreso nti asem no ka ne de me meka se waka ne sa yeso ye mfa ne sa ne ehu se Ghana ne ye ko ne ye ka ko ye ni ye nka nko ye chi nti abasa kasa ne de me enya ade a me hu se ye semre na ye Mpensenpensemu because ye hu bida ye hu de obetimi aye de oye ne de ebesi ye ye economy free there 7 point something edibesi 3 point something growth rate ye hu bida enye nipa fofo se bia se ti a omo ka se omo sister omo parliamentary leadership because omo penkofo omo ti economy asedia na nka omo di nipa fofo ba ya na ndi anke ahwe because nipa ne hu ne da ndi bia anke be hwe de na wa ye da mba former president di Mr. Meka ye hu de wa ye bi da nti
Laura to Musa yeja wa mu akoro no o final comment to Emma on a next special day yeah ye celebrating my
okay so the American say me da ho bo Emma nyina baso ye ministers ye chief of staff ye members of parliament ye 20 from NDC 20 from NDC Emma mo bo mo modin nyina engineers lawyers I mean yenya former two chief justices omo ye ma ehundu omo ye yenya two EC chairpersons omo ye ma ehu adwuma omo ye nti ye be koso ahye ye ho incline said ye no ye nkoso ne yenye imagine ye a na ewiase afana nyida ejina ye ne ekura fie o adwuma mu kura oba wo ho a utimi hu ana akoya se oba ba akoya ade a ema nyina na aye bema ba akoya ade a bema no nkwa na aye nti ese ye hwa san nyoma ni nyina ne ade nkabom ne baako ye ne ye hwe ye nyina ye ba politics ne nso a MPP NDC CPP PNC at the end of the day Ghana nkanko ne ye hwe nti eba sa nyoma ye be kasa ye be die chie but ye be ye pia ye nhwe se ye hwe Ghana nkanko ene ewiase afa na nyina nkanko ne enye de ye memo bia
na
because ye no ya be ni
Jina so ba ya sa yeda se se ne ba oprumu age yesu jina so na ye na ye homrabusia ye dan ye ho ne yato ade abatew ye ba nkobɔ twetwe no de aka kire de nyina be de beto aso Mpensenpensemu so me basia eni e wo bedwam Adom TV na ye International Women's Day nti ne ma no ye se mema na nye wo mo ahome nti o ma hene kwabena sante ya manada onyina home wate sanso na akọ radio nso a Chief Jerry Forsen ne kwasi asempa papa bi omo nso ya ma wo mo age o ma home ene kejiwa no ankasa ne ye Cobblestone mo omu nyina yeso omo nyoma home na emma no enye adwuma nene mene emma mienu na twetwe nkomo eye Laura 2 ono no MPP amanyoko no wo mo kasa mo omo no ka ho bi ono aka me ho ewo eye zoom sanso ena mago watnase enka ne ne na aba na musini wosu hum ogusu agina manyo nsem ni mu a wo bo adwuma nti memra ne so na ye ni nkomo na nanu ada mampanyi dada akofa form so pese wo sai flag bearer ema NDC amanyoko no wa launch campaign na ni mo no kyerese aban yete so se de sikasem no covid sika ne funds ahodo bi misappropriation ekoso wo mu no ba omo ho bon mu bia no obema mra no ene wo mu adi sasa mi so mu sei
you medasi minyamba na Michia Laura too. So na fati so emergency bi a wenye bi anyame enka ne ho. Minyaba na minya Laura too kasa no obi say President Mahama na omunimu no dada na say foforo na eba because na pen so omuhu niema e call so na sa time na incompetence any corruption eba ye. Kamia ye me say Laura too on to Ghana. And I say owo hearing amnesia be or dear or pese ote ena ote because President Mahama na ye nimu no na oba bio na penso ne yeto cement less than 20 Ghana cedis na do no ka say yenso ne hwe ne yeto cement 100 Ghana cedis per bag. President Mahama na ye nimu no na oba bie mu no na penso na ne ukoto fango egu wo car mu a de ye frɛ no obroni frɛ no petrol no wo se liter no eye beer bottle no yenya no mu nim beer ne gold and club no liter ye beer bottle no baako na liter no e mako 4.5 and ye gallon 1 gallon. President Mahama na ye nim no dada no na a gallon of fuel eye less than 15 Ghana cedis enne na do no say ye nso ne nhwe na
which is 4.5 liters.
4.5 liters a gallon eye less than 15 Ghana cedis na do ka say ye nso ne nhwe na ye ne ti hei ono ni liter more than 15 Ghana cedis.
So no we can say a international price.
Omo ye campaign no na international price enye ne eba o. Na wo hoda dansa na omo ye campaign. President Mahama na ye nimu no dada no. All beko no na cedi to dollar rate no. It wasn't even up to 4 Ghana cedis. Nanado ka say ni tiri mu odem pa. Ene nanado na ye so ne hwe na oda so te ye so no. Ene dollar no ade beche no je ka se eye na ugina supermarket kwa na wo to ade wantu aka ntamu a ugina ho ne aka to ade ne ato so di first kan bi ka ho. President Mahama time ye hu ne sa President Mahama time no asetena na oni yetie media fo mo ye adwuma mo nhwe mochi mo ka asem a mo nhwe mochi ye wo man mu na media fo che se reports international agencies kra aka se ye media freedom no che se atoche mama enye fe kra yeti oma ye ne President Mahama tena ye no ye hu saa niema no eso na do a ye nso ne nhwe no nia odi ye FM no President Mahama time eni yetimi esi UGMC Emma na do buy the ministers etimi omo timi pack omo niema fifie koda ho so omo gi omo ahome health
University
minister
of Ghana Medical
University of Ghana health minister
na ho ye gi ahome o
osi mo na mo bisa na osi okoje na ahome abra covid buy no ni ohoye fasin ni fie nti o pack ni niema koda President Mahama na yenim no na sam na ye kan yo enti se ye ka President Mahama asemo a ne so bi eni Ghana whether they like it or not they can bend the sea ne so bi eni ho President awatena se na watimi atete your mind say enne nanado is struggling So now must say you call IMF for your failing. Now Nanado is struggling to fail. Exams now or chrono or team fifth proficiously as a fish or then see.
Now failure so be struggle.
And IMF after staff level say IMF almost not a match you. Second match they sit 4 times in a year. You know, match you also to me call board level near your discussion. Requirement as I say they call IMF no. Meaning about yeah team FIFA yeah. It's President Mahama. Na must say we're failing. And then another is struggling to fail. Now the new work say President Mahama time. Now you're there to GDP ratio was around 54%. And the IMF catch Nanado. Any Baumian and Sabuaka say in 3 years the program almost 3 billion no more they have to go back to 54% debt to GDP ratio. President Mahama Ejayano. President Mahama na yenimo no inflation was 11% and sana ojo mine na oil field. Na yesa e ba akopena na yewo eno kra na yenya challenges na yentimi too crude because machine ne say ye jama no omunya 2 additional fields omo say omo inherit omanya na asay from IMF conditionalities yet me predict say in 2017 measures are there to place stabilization fund, heritage fund, sinking fund sanyemani na ye extra levy ni ade ni nyina no ebe peja omine from 3.7 growth no to over 8% growth. IMF so predict about 26-17 omo be say adwuma be no mo ye to merit that growth. So this is the President Mahama we are talking about, and this is the President Mahama the entire world the Britain whose institution and who say they grow to GDP ratio now ujaya no. Nanado will have to struggle and in 3 years to go back there. They are telling us say take us back to where President Mahama left Ghana in 2016. Now only ni say sa akasa na yakasa bia obi a pekwanya ba waka because MPP beba and NDC for this. Where the IMF na account. I don't see na can for ya say pensioners sika nyina. What be that woman mu? Say buy to be the say round bottom to me ju sika. Oh say exchange for other bonds sir. Chese me aba. Wo de minim say ye yin bebre. But in this fourth republic, what be that say aban say we sika show bottom me dem seka. We sika wa bread na accountability ye be President Mahama say obeje ya okay. Na Madam Sophia Akuffo kan no man tiana. Madam Sophia Akuffo was the chairperson for the COVID Trust Fund, and she saw how much came in there, and probably she saw how they mismanaged it. That is why Amamene Kase sika no mwenyano. Yeah, uko tu se nipa mienu ko embisa ne se de benti na muko bisa se anano. Madam Sophia Akuffo is talking from anano. Because when who be that say as a chairperson or that COVID fund no, na ma say sika bebreba munya na ne. Maba no pensioner ho say mo ba bejiska onim say ochine bi no aban bi ba for accountability a say bi obi lawyer ni a wa distinguish no ho onim bibia be kwa akofa na ba say bi o meyi ano. That is why she's asking them for omo ankasa part of them obi say omo accountability. Every Ghanaian is looking for accountability. Hey, President Mahama ba na in 1 year no che say otimima MP before accounting for it, Ghanaians will be very happy. Now obema MPP for account dear. I mean because as I kasa obi e ba wo de yen share COVID-19 yi fund dia auditor general findings by and the Ministry of Local Government they paid monies to eye clinic so almost fan talk curtains and with COVID fund something which is not COVID related. Eye clinic so mo fan talk curtains na de ye me ye twa men so no kra ne say Ministry of Finance wo kra de wonnim what ene ko ma me no mo di da wo mokola ne ade say abaye fu say ye omo tete tickets say ye agi ye ma me no musika wo to tomato 20 Ghana ne ye agi ticket meko ne ye agi ticket Ministry of Finance etuye sika ma private company 1G withholding tax. It is over 1 million Ghana. The Ministry of Finance was so adamant about it. Now, what's in my now, why does your mind is the monies are with them? Because COVID is from the Auditor General over 21 billion. And no, is around 6 billion. Just say, Sika no crowd I billion. No, I know me who said American because I had a brilliant man so. Sika bebe buy no. Auditor General report no. Can for yet and call parliament no. Also they spent around 11 billion. But Auditor General Mayati as said misappropriation was about 5.2 billion. enti sika ne bebre account say say we be 16.1 billion wo ho a e hyehyɛ nkrofo botom a ye ni bebe ye da no mo fa go. They will account for every penny. Ghanaians will demand it from President Mahama in 2025. And the accountability then they better get ready for it. Because Ghana is not broke. You cannot borrow over 11 billion from the European market and tell us that we are broke. You cannot benefit in 1 year. Sika bebre just under COVID. Now, and now IMF will say, who should share 3 billion. 3 billion I utimi borrow year 2018, 2019, 2021, 2020 no and na won na wo kwa kwasere sa ati you know in 3 years so
mago fakonko homam na menko zoom so na Laura to da so agina so na yeni enkomo Laura to timenka e ba cha mute ni yeni enkomo wadama wa mute Laura to Badaroma on mute ni eni nkomo.
Okay.
Afedi amete wonka. Yegusu awo mampanyi dada nsam a woka se oba misappropriated funds obehwe na wahodi omanfo accountable. Na sade Ghana for de oman ya hyebo nsai na Ghana for wogidie wo mumui say ye sika mo behwe so yie no. Indeed funds no man misappropriate
So funds they misappropriate anka Ghana for nyina em. They say me kan no. Eba management of the economy na. They amago kan na me anka me catch your studio a catch so ompe binum why. Na you kan nyina enya asema say e dey asem. Ahokyere aba. Obia enka sa ahokyere ma on say they amago kan ase we ade wo akotro exam na we faili na yese kotena enchen na obi aba umreso no we nya pandemic we nya bibia wo faili yo na yese kotena enchen na de obetimi aye so emra meye no no ba ya na obetro exam no omo class omo call ye na asaba kotro wasia na BT na obi di ni musio aba be time nyina na ya cancel mo exam na eta mo san dire mo na mo san contract eno na mago yen wo yes kotena nchen de o ye o bas branding ugini fa wo ye 2 ye ni de ba ye nyina na kotena nchen
Laura remember ho kakra that bas branding is na make us asa de aban bi e beba na wa list moye A moye B moye C me ba me hold him accountable but sa ba ne betina so asa ye aduane be na mudio na mo refi sa bas brand ne sa anyama wo kekan ye ne ye politics of equalization yi anya bia mo ba ye no mo ye madwin se mo hold wo accountable
never ye ba into power anya bia office of the special prosecutor yes here that shows commitment. Passing of the Fiscal Responsibility Act. Say yeah, they are all. Nina oh, say obi oba. Why you not dream say obey ye the say no or the nyoma tutu akwen. Eno na nanado danko Akuffo-Addo why. Oh, but also omu kasasa no na sometimes ya kai omu abro omu di Ghana. Ni poni omu di Ghana na yes. Omo ba ye no omo be boni bi enti sometimes yenka enkai ya na yenka enye equalization but sometimes obi kasa bebre na ni we fi de chi a ese o kai no so omo di boni wo kromu apa
na oba ye da se pa se boni ya o hwe wani o si ni ye but special prosecutor ye na ejuma and the auditor general report is not in and yeah, 3 years back and 4 years back. We are promoting, they are only looking at previous years, but we are still working on a bar parliament veteran. So it's what the number to a quema. Yet, baby, I yet Ghana, ye Cromano, yet him run a Juba. Open one shame running your own to be sorry and and also because Brande Bass and OBD Ghana seeking to go from every fear at the Nakotu. See, and Yanisa. Anya kwa wo se nipa ku nipa kra no
what's the Oka say? They are not guilty on guilty. Or you suspect. Or you alleged victim. And see, Bonnie Omoti, double salary in Kwa, Yakasi Yasha, Yatini Yawasha, Miniature Somo, members of parliament or more on a Fakra Becca. And here, almost Kasa, almost Kaisa, Bonnie Omoti Ghana for the whole Kayo. Someone a Kasa Ghana for Ewa Refie, Beso Moose a Ghana for one Kai, Cecilia Obieni, near Nim de Omaye. Yeah, Pobia Manabe. Only the way I say Jina, meaning to say NDC for. No,
double salary, yeah, or boss. Yes, double salary, yeah, or bossy. Yenim says your kind or a due process. And ye be no much one among says uncle for no, most is so much double salary. And also, a much with your move cost one.
Oh, far Juma special prosecutor, yeah. All those cases are there. Okay. Cases be also for ankasa individuals. Na se dia no so no na adwuma oye no ukọ ho sesi a obehu adwuma bebre ebi kra ye ni mu ase. Cases o hwem ebi kra ye ni mu ase. Wo ho a na edi bako nti corruption ne the fight is a matter of commitment. Enye ye dia no ka keke.
Enti na nka meba ho say a matter of commitment you know. Anye bia ye na detail wo mu ewu akire se obeche wo ho afiri ho. Na baby are still yet a special prosecutor Guswaya when you say Sabre wasn't Kangrofobua. Yasa woman la true mason na amaphobia when says I quite way and Fazumi.
Oh, but say Oshe investigations there also baby na equa this time. That's the commitment yeah canon. Oshe one of the development authorities Edini ma papa. The under investigation. The brace here, customs of the it's under investigation. And I make us say a crony apart from your constitution guide here, you about passing other acts, legislative instruments, Yama Bebre. Yashasudi Juma. Ubana legislative instruments, yeah, what them brought queen.
Say yenim say e mo dada e wosen ke na hwe net ne net ye omanfo so no kura say ye nyan shedan fa ni dwuma nwie e na eguso say twen actifro
mini about so udi kro boni a wo public service say empro boni empro iti eno de sisi a bebie edu ni say ye hwe the way I dey Ghana besi bebie si na ye nyina ye ho atoy eno de omo ko baby a omo maslo de ye eken e da ho so enti family de be pray wo enya family ka so aka say oh ye de ye ho so e ye nipa ne ani omo ye
na sika no bebre wo ho na corruption ti e hyehyɛ o manfo ro moto na ye ma ye ho nya ha na ye nyi mo mfa nyi o man ni nsi ho na ye twentwen so ansa ya sa akọ baabi akọji sika sa de abewura mu no na ye ni abre se ye pese o man ni koyie
say ye kaso ye ko baabi akọji sika na on say eya ye ka momien ka no en si baabi esesi ye ko baabi akọji sika na nyeso obi sori e no kasa me de obi ma me sika ensi hu ne no so ba me
Laura to Pacha Otemenka. Ebusiana se enkomo twetwe na na egusua ya ekoso no.
Hwe baby free buy any baby aya bedu. Ena ye kan ye ka ko president Akuffo time ya no mo person beti. But president Akuffo buy MPP government. Kroya ne be ebeji Croatia 2010 and nam say ye ni enti ye money pact and then ma ye ne bilaterals and multilaterals in Kitahudino eba from kakra we open to the commercial market because now ye in this in say those kind of rules say we are commercial and I won't cry ye ka omo be kan na maji lo maji ye ka interest na wo so pa. It was World Bank backed a now honorable sector by 15% Say 15% no, ya da ho tua. Enti ya ka asem na eso omuso hu se. Omo ba ye no, ye omo be ye no no omo ye ni yi a. Anka fa ye free 7.5, 7.3 growth rate. And be do 3 no omo ja ye no. Na even when they come nyina omo ayese omo ya man omo chan ye kra omo economics decline ye ne ba so kasa and agriculture ye tintin somebody ye beka obi antimi nkasa ne ho so but the NDT4 ka ya na ya because boni omo di kroe ne isama ye omo kika na ya na ya nti ese ye kai omo no omo se ya wa ho kyeremo ye de ebe ye na mo de ne de ye ka se enye hwe kra and then obi oton ice block obi oton ice kenke on ka se mini light intimate me anya adwuma kakra e bo na kosoro kakra mo ukwa unya ye nya enye sisi anya e beka so issue in Niwa now all that ubesha na ye localized problem. It's eduma de ya ye bi o twa free SHS o hwa akwa ye o hwa
Laura too yedase pa ne nkoma woni ye die no
ya yan omona woni omo di die ya kase ye ka omo ntimi mpie kra bi
yedase se ene woni ya twetwe nkoma abusia Laura too Musa Saka ono MPP amanyoko no eku akasama wo modi mu ntintima sanso eno executive secretary edema Postal and Courier Services Regulatory Commission no na mensamra studio mago egwoso awa na mago MPP fu adwuma o maye nyina se so na nso moni anase mu ni aban mu nti yenkoku no na yemode
in 2016 oraba umia ka sembi na ne you see I am penifo ka kama. Now what I have noticed is that area seno you see the universe will bring back to you all the energies you give to it. Nti se we in papa obeboa papa ni nyina no one day no dey abro. Se we universe no so bone so a or the sound from aboni nyina be kan bom one day no. But me aka say there is nothing economy except your pockets. And I'm asking Laura too again, how much is a bag of cement? A young person, a young graduate, when you're Juma, why you budget? So, person or see 3-bedroom house, 4-bedroom house, and also person see baby kakra, and the man nebusi any bino. Why you budget? Cement I need a ton less than 20 Ghanas, and then 100 Ghana. Laura to this is economy.
Na unyi ni so say the year can dollar rate exchange rate
na dollar rate no nyansa bo akwa umi why you not asking him questions or say onukra ampo de or say borrowing senke ka bosia bokra nko mo manom 7 years na 8 years na ke bebu o man into ye de o man ma the longest and the old man no de ni nim senka old men governance de ko mo nko borrowing ho da or say sika e wo Bank of Ghana why ye adwuma wo ho de no kra Dr. Do form na man adwuma wo Bank of Ghana NDC na employ no. Why adwuma wo ho da mpo se sika wo ho into your bar or the sika na ba besiesi your mind no enti enne se yentimi Ghana cedi no entimi $2 na yembisa na nado ne economic team no omo be ye parade say your monsem mo no but apparently ade asan so cry ma reho ne say ba umi anyansa nyina achi na bra na nado efa emema kantinka 40 to say cyto class the good class to say almost shako ebe fa so Ghana cedi no ebetimi anya ahoden say dollar ya fa ba umi akra nka
say bi on adwuma na oye na e wosoro
na omo say he is a disappointment but he's still talking and Laura to say yen where is Baumia
enti na chese mbeza mo chese say ne na cement 200 cedis no say NDC say ba power mo bete cement no so na
say IMF for say wo IMF for asama o maka kire yen ye bre you am say we are struggling to fail no almost say aya na ado na ike no foriata ne ba umia no omfa Ghana economy no enko back to debt to GDP ratio of President Mahama Jayan which is around 54%. That alone no has vindicated us. What you say? Me say ba umia say the economy is in your pockets. Enne eduane gari wo to asika say na auditor. And then kind of who ya ka wo fam fichira who kita 5 cedis kura utimi di bi no saying na ye deto that is the economy. The state of the nation is in your pockets.
Yeah, that's it, mago na say ebusia mago no amanyo nsemu oye waya kwechire pa ya ugusu a ewo mu na ye International Women's Day nti ene ye ne ma na di nkomo said ya memo ni city en sema gudu atwago na di eho enkomo no na meko no happy birthday nkoma Hana Arthur we nursing student or Praso nursing training school that hene wo mame ene abusua nyina and almost show happy birthday
your friend sister Millicent and say na any birthday
okay
yeah Millie happy birthday nyame ensure we obapa mechiba
na say Millicent nyina ene abusua nyina ema happy birthday na me sorry so me kwano so de na say boa Augustine one way rep now last week or travel all the way from Western region eba ya Accra hasi was said hokani Emilia Ankama ene ye wawoda ye nyina ye do we love you so much Emily happy birthday nkoma abusua so na me gina na mpensempensemu amede somo na no pay obedwam so me de nyina se wuhia me ya friend anoche wa ba ajwa se wa me mochi